Is your Chevy Sonic key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2017-2020 Chevy Sonic key fob, saving you time and money. No programming is required. This DIY task is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. The key fob for your 2017-2020 Chevy Sonic requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at most retail stores. You can find CR2032 batteries at drugstores, supermarkets, and electronics retailers. They're a common size used in many devices. For the best performance and reliability, choose quality brands such as Duracell or Energizer. These batteries offer longer life and consistent power output. Always double-check the battery packaging to confirm it's a CR2032. Look for the model number clearly printed on the package. For replacing the key fob battery in your 2017-2020 Chevy Sonic, you'll only need one essential tool: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The pry tool is preferred to avoid scratching the fob's plastic casing. Also have a soft cloth handy to clean the battery contacts if needed. Work on a clean, dry surface to prevent any issues. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use the pry tool to gently pop out the old battery. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is securely seated in place. Cleaning the contacts with a soft cloth before inserting the new battery can improve connectivity, especially if there are signs of corrosion. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the seam is closed tightly and that there are no gaps. Press firmly around the edges to secure the fob. You should hear a click as the two halves connect. Now that you've replaced the battery, it's time to test the key fob and troubleshoot any issues. Press the buttons on your key fob to test the lock, unlock, and remote start functions. The car should respond to each command. If the key fob still doesn't work, double-check that the battery is installed with the correct orientation, positive side up. Also, ensure the contacts inside are clean. In rare cases where the fob is faulty, it may require professional repair. However, battery replacement usually resolves the issue. Finally, remember to properly recycle your old CR2032 battery at a designated recycling center to minimize environmental impact. Your Chevy Sonic key fob should now be working properly after following these steps.